about how can you fix that problem you have on your OfferUp. So all you have to do, you just click here on settings here. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, it's going to show for you like this. Then you just go down here. So just keep going down here. So when it's going to show for you here apps, you go click on it. Then it's going to take you to apps list here. Then here can you're looking for OfferUp, or just click here on search. So then add here OfferUp. Then it's going to show for you, you click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on force stop. Then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage. Then you click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just you turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it. Then it's going to fix with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.